It doesn't take much to make something big happen with Tigo's free Bonto. You can text, browse, make IDD calls, and even better, call all networks with your bonus credit.
Guys, I need your help.
Dial *555*1# to activate Tigo's free Bonto. With Tigo's free Bonto, you get a double bonus on every 1 Ghana Cedi or 2 Ghana Cedi top-up, and a triple bonus on every 5 Ghana Cedi top-up or more. Use your credits how you want, when you want, no restrictions. With your free Bonto.
Smile! You've got Tigo.